what does the municipality want in this regard?
Thank you very much. Good morning to yourself and to your listeners. My name is Princess Faku. I'm the Deputy Executive Mayor of Buffalo City. As Buffalo City Municipality, we are not happy of what has transpired this past weekend. To see so many young people dying in such a horrific manner. As Buffalo City, we were the first people to be on the scene. Remember when the executive mayor was making his opening statement, we said that we have a commitment as the city to look into youth issues, and we've been doing that youth programs right through. What we have experienced here now, we are going to take a stance as a city in terms of our law enforcement in partnership with the local board to make sure that we follow up on these places that are selling alcohol to young people that are under 30, underage, under 18, of course. So we're going to do a follow up on that. But most importantly, I think we need to have a program with the Department of Education. We go to school and visit young people in terms of substance abuse. These are the issues that we need to address as a municipality, but also look into our bylaws as the municipality, because we discovered that the owner of the tavern yesterday was not even licensed. The ward councillor has been trying to be in contact with the owner of the tavern for numerous times because there were complaints with regards, and he was unreasonable. So I think we need to look into that in terms of our law enforcement. How do we strengthen when we don't get hold of people? So those are the relations that we also need to strengthen with the liquor board. Thank you.
So you're basically saying that you will make sure that Scenery Park does not become some sort of a playground for illegal taverns.
Yes, Scenery Park will not be a place for July month, and going forward we are going to be stationed here in Scenery Park with our law enforcement and the liquor board. We are going to have a partnership program where we are going to visit tavern by tavern, working together with the ward councillor, of course, and the Department of Social Development.
Quickly.
But also, in this incident, if you can even see today and the whole period, we've been working together with religious leaders. We want them to help us because we believe that they can play a very critical role in this matter.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Now, if you may, please take us through the program you're holding inside, but also maybe how are you going to assist the families in bearing their children? Because we do understand that situations may differ from family to family.
Okay. Thank you very much. We have been in talks with Avbob. We have approached Avbob as the municipality. Avbob will assist us to bury all the 21 children. Currently, there are 20 bodies that are identified. There's still one body that is not identified. All of them will receive a free service from Avbob. On Wednesday next week, we'll have a mass funeral for all the 21 young people here in Star Park in the sports fields there up. So as the municipality, we are trying by all means to reduce the stress away for the cost of the parents, because they did not prepare for this. Today here we are with Mahlasedi Foundation, which is mainly led by churches who are donating food parcels, but also there are different stakeholders who are donating food parcels. There's one stakeholder which is called the liquor traders. They are also donating to, some vouchers to the families. So we are here today, but also we are sitting here. Avbob is here again, so to consolidate dates for the families for the funeral, so that families don't go up and down. Everything is done at a one-stop center, so that if families need photocopies as the municipality, we can provide. If they need to, as the commissioner of oaths, we can do all of those things here inside. Thank
When
you.
is the memorial service?
It's next week on Wednesday.
When is the funeral?
The families will have different dates for funerals. Some of them starting on Friday, Saturday.
That must.
The mass funeral, it will take place for the issue. Remember, there's supposed to
It's
be
a combined. It's a
combined.
It's a combined memorial service and also the
mass funeral.
Okay, it's
Yes.
a combined. Okay.
On the issue of service delivery, we've been hearing complaints from the community, especially the youth, that there are no playgrounds, there are nothing here. So,
Just to add on that, they
Yeah.
also added that they are not being consulted as the youth when it comes to service development programs that are meant for them, saying that no one comes to them and then really approach them and then ask to say, do you really want this thing? what are you planning to do going forward?
Remember, you know, when young people, you know, when these things happen, people will say many things, but we know that there's the government that is leading in Buffalo City. We are trying by all means. This year, we had an NSFAST program which assisted young people. Again, now we had medical expo for young people. We have been here with the Deputy Minister of Home Affairs to assist young people to get IDs. The councillor has a water allocation program where young people are getting trained for driver's license, others are receiving sports kits. So if they feel they are not engaged in their new development, remember also we are a new council that was only elected last year. So this is our new financial year. As I'm saying, our commitment this year is towards youth development as a municipality. So we'll try and engage them and sit down with them. Social development, as I've said, has a list of programs they will be doing in this area. The Department of Education will also visit schools and give counseling. If maybe we have omitted some of the young people, then I think it's important that as government we must listen to that and not be arrogant and be in touch with everyone else. Thank you.
Sebule.
Umpinde lipi kama nafanya?
Princess Faku,
Yes.
Deputy Executive Mayor.
Okay,